What's up, everyone? It's Phil Jones from Projector Reviews, and I am in Orlando at Infocomm 2023. While you're starting to see a lot of large direct LED displays, there's still a demand for projection. And today we're going to be walking through the show to show you all of the cool projection-related items, including projectors, screens, accessories, cabling, video distribution, everything you need to design a great projection system for business and education. So let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Daniel Uy. I'm with LG Electronics. I'm here at the LG booth. You know, in the LG booth, we have a lot of display technology here. I mean, a lot of OLED, flat panel technology, but we also have a projector lineup. We have over 30 projectors in our LG projector portfolio. They basically break up into two categories: the Cinebeam series, which is for home entertainment or lifestyle, or we have the ProBeam series, which are for our commercial applications. We have here a variety of select portion of our projectors. They're all solid-state light sources, either laser light sources or LED light source. The projectors we have here on display are all 4K projectors. This is our ultra short throw projector. All the capabilities make a 120-inch image from about 6 inches away. And then on the other side of the lineup, we have our new lifestyle projector, which is great for portable use. You can carry it around. You can easily bring it to a location with Wi-Fi. You can connect to your network and have content. You can adjust it so it can display onto the wall or onto the ceiling. Has a built-in 5-watt speaker and has all the same capabilities you would find on an LG TV in terms of the applications like Disney Plus, YouTube TV, and things like that. So you can take your big screen TV and play it in a bedroom or move it outside to the backyard for the kids. And then on our commercial lineup, we have our ProBeam series. We have multiple variants of this particular model. It starts at a 4,000 lumens WXGA, moves all the way up to 6,000 lumens 4K. So a lot of varieties, as well as a standard throw, as well as short throw version. And then over here is our new flagship model. The key thing about this is our first model, which has our Web OS signage platform. So in the LG booth, we have a lot of display technologies, a lot of signage applications. This projector uses the same platform as those displays. So if you're familiar with this, maybe signage in a hotel or airports that uses WebOS signage, this projector uses the same technology, so you can connect to the same network, control projector, and have a lot of signage to that. So we're really excited about our portfolio, and it continues to expand, and we're glad to be the display solution for a lot of customers out there.
Hi, this is Wendy Cox with Da-Lite, a brand of Legrand AV, and we're in booth number 2201 at Infocomm. And Da-Lite this year is showing our Sightline feature for the Advantage and Tension Advantage screens. Sightline is a cable drop feature that eliminates the need for black drop when you're custom ordering projection screens. With Sightline, cable drop comes standard up to 70 inches of travel, and now we're introducing a brand new 10-foot cable option that you can choose instead. The Sightline feature is available on the Advantage and Tension Advantage products with Da-Lite's HD Progressive and Parallax Surface families. We're in Legrand's booth number 2201 at Infocomm, and I wanted to show you our new 21:9 aspect ratio projection screens. So Da-Lite has launched 21:9 screens that are designed for Teams front row environments, and we offer this in our Tension Advantage with Sightline, our Cinema Contour, our UTB Contour, and our Tension Contour projection screens. The 21:9 formatted screens are available with our HD Progressive screen surfaces and our Parallax surfaces, so you can have the right projection surface for any environment.
Hi, I'm Jeff Muto, Business Line Director at ViewSonic. So today we're at the ViewSonic booth at Infocomm 2023, and today we're showing off various displays including interactive flat panels, DV LEDs, but we got something special for the people that are still looking for projectors here. So here we've got a laser projector, and here we've got a ultra short throw projector. So while we're still seeing a lot of laser and solid state lamp projectors, we do see a growth in LED projectors as they get bigger and brighter. This one's actually 2,900 lumens, LED lumens, which is about 2,100 ANSI lumens. So it's more than bright enough from a gaming experience. So one of the benefits of LED is you get better colors. It also has a long lamp life. It's a sealed light engine, so the dust and debris that goes into it, it's immune from that. So really with the longevity, the improved brightness, the outstanding color performance, you get the best of all worlds with an LED projector. But the item that we'd like to focus on is this one right here, the black unit. This is the X2 4K. It's the world's first designed for Xbox projector, so it's gone through exhaustive testing by Microsoft to certify it. It's a 4K projector. One of the unique things that it has a gaming mode, so when you plug into the second HDMI port with your Xbox, it'll automatically sync the settings to be perfect for your gaming experience. So give you a large interactive experience when you're playing your favorite console game. Another thing that it does is it supports native 1440p at 120 hertz. So again, perfect spec for the Xbox gamer. So if you'd like more information about this, you can go to ViewSonic.com. And thank you for coming to our booth.
Hey, welcome to Infocomm here at the Sony booth. I wanted to kind of showcase some of our large display technologies, and one of them particular being our projection technology. Of course, as you walk throughout the booth, you're going to see a lot of different types of large display solutions that we offer. Anywhere from direct view LED, which is one of the most exciting and beautiful products that we offer, as well as our flat panel displays, our Bravia, which of course this summer we're launching several new lines and new models this summer. So that's an exciting time as well as we expand into that digital signage space and increase our presence there. But the reliable projectors. Projectors I love to talk about because they still have a very, very important place in the marketplace. Projection from a cost of display standpoint still is one of those most relevant models and relevant technologies out there. And so with that, I'd like to start just by introducing a little bit with our newest model. This is our VPL PHC 61. This is a 6400 lumen, 7000 lumen brightness, center brightness, ultra compact fixed lens projector. This features our newest generation of software, including Intelligent Settings version 3.0 with the ambient light sensor. These projectors continue to just become smarter and smarter, especially from easeability of setup and installation. What we try to do is we recognize, obviously, setup time, time is money. So we want to try to reduce the amount of touch and the amount of time it takes to install these projectors for our integrators and for our partners and resellers. So we do as much as we can within this processor of the projectors themselves, and that's the same thing with our next step up, which is the mid-range class interchangeable lens. Right here we have the FHC 85. This is a 7300 lumens, 8000 center lumens brightness projector, and this one came out last year. Again, these two, this and the PHC 61 and the PHC 51, represent our newest, most advanced projectors we've ever had on the market. As we step up into our large venue series with the FHZ, the VPL FHZ 91, 101, and the 131, these 9,000 up to 13,000 lumen projectors have been our flagship models in the business projection category, well suited for house of worship and any large auditorium type spaces. And then as we move up into our 4K lineup, this is our VPL GTZ 380/P. This is a 10,000 lumen 4K projection system. We offer this in both the custom install channel as well as the Pro AV channel. It has been very, very successful for us in simulation markets and entertainment markets, and in some of the larger higher education type auditoriums and those type of applications. With any of these types of displays, though, it's interesting that there's a convergence of technologies as we're moving from these larger displays into smaller displays, but that's not actually the case. The great news is projection is still kicking strong, and it is not dead. It is a great product from a cost of display standpoint, still can't be beat. So I encourage everyone to take a look at our projection lineup and explore our two newest options, and I think that you'll find something that's going to work for your environment.
Hi, I'm Steve Cook with Draper. I'm standing here in the Draper booth at Infocomm. Over in this section of the booth, we're showing two different types of screen materials. We've got a premium line of performance-driven screen materials called TechVision. It's a special formulated coating process that's 23 feet by 69 feet, and we can really control the performance of various type of screen surfaces. What the line is most known for is we have 5 ambient light rejecting screen materials, all ranging in how much light they can reject away from the audience, also dependent on off-axis seating. And we've got 5 white screen materials, all ranging in different gains. So right here we've got two systems that are the same brightness, and on this side, which is to your left, we have one of our moderate ambient light rejecting screen materials called XH900X ALR. It's got a 0.9 gain, has wide off-axis viewing performance, And on the right, we've got a 1.6 gain premium white screen. And that's known for having high gain but crazy off-axis performance. So if you go off 80 degrees, 85 degrees, you're just going to see that the image just never drops away. And so what we're showing here is that for customers who need high contrast, saturated colors and deep blacks that are doing high def video or graphics design, corporate customers, they should be using an ambient light environment, an ALR screen, ambient light rejecting screen. So that's what we're showing on the right. Much deeper blacks, more color saturation. On the right, if a customer doesn't have enough projector lumens to light one of those screens up, then they may have to go with a higher gain white, understanding that their blacks aren't going to be as good and their color saturation is not going to be as good. So it really all depends on the application. In that line of materials, we've got pretty much everything to cover any application depending on the environment. We're over standing next to one of our scissor lifts. So Draper has two series of lifts, projector lifts in the Draper line. One's called the Aero Lift. The Aero Lift is our compact series. It's belt driven and it takes up the least amount of space above the ceiling line. So that is the series where a belt goes up, around, and wraps into another roller, keeping everything very compact above the ceiling. However, that series of lifts is just going to bring the projector down below the ceiling line, and that's it. If you need more travel, or you need to bring the projector in a very high ceiling application down to a service position, you're going to need to get into a scissor lift. We have two types of scissor lifts, our SL and our SLX. The SL goes to a little over 100 pounds, and the SLX goes to 350 pounds. And they all just have different amounts of scissors. So the more travel, the more scissors, taking up more space above the ceiling line. That's how scissor lifts work. All our scissor lifts are UL certified as an entire unit, and we have models ranging from 4 feet of travel up to 28 feet of travel. So if you have any other questions, just contact your Draper rep, and we'll help you figure out which lift will work best for the projector and the application that you're working in.
Hi, I'm Maria Rapoli, and we're here at the Optoma booth at Infocomm 2023, and I'm excited to showcase to you our new ML1080 series. Our ML1080 is this beautifully crafted, sleek design chassis. It's an RGB triple laser projector. It weighs only 2.2 pounds. As you can see, it's ultra compact. So one of the things that we're proud of with this new projector is that it's not just ultra compact, but it's also very bright at 1200 lumens. And we designed this product specifically for professionals on the go, as well as home entertainment, and also for immersive installations. As you can see here, we're showcasing, in partnership with Zanimation, a beautiful immersive dining experience brought to you with our projectors. We have short throw for the wall experience and 2 standard throw onto the dining room table. So we're excited to be here to showcase our new products, and welcome to the Optoma booth.
Hi, this is Brian Soto from Optoma. I am at Infocomm 2023, and we are showing a range of projectors that we have. We have our interchangeable lens models, fixed lens projectors, different throw ratios, and we have our compact design models. And the brightness ranges between 11,000 lumens to 9,000 lumens and 6,000 lumens. We have seen a trend on interactive flat panels, of course, but there is still a lot of applications for projectors. And this is what we are showing right here. We are showing the advantages of using projectors in comparison to flat panels, because we can fold the light. And when we can fold the light, we can basically project into different shapes. What we're showing here is 2 of our ultra bright series, the ZU2200s. They are stacked, and we are using our new image processor called the Nano 6. It's powered by ViewSonic technology, and we are able to mask and map the image, in this case, of this tree. Additionally, we can also use the same technology to map onto logos, which is not something that you will generally do with flat panels or LED displays. So this is where we still see the advantage of projectors, and we can see that the brightness is big enough to be able to stand in an area where there is ambience lighting, but it still looks very good and sharp.
Hi, my name is Christopher Descato. I'm with Salamander Designs, and today we're at Infocomm booth 3613, and we're showing off our new cabinet that we designed with Microsoft for Microsoft Teams rooms. At the show, we're showing the Epson 810, which is a new projector from Epson. We make these cabinets for over 7 years with multiple projector companies. So from Epson, Samsung, LG, Hisense. We do this a lot in our residential division too. Very high level of fit and finish. That's what we're known for deploying spaces without infrastructure costs that look absolutely gorgeous, that with furniture that is meant for the equipment. So all the cooling, wire management, everything. This happens to be a cabinet that is 2 bays wide. We can also do it wider, we can do it shorter. Whatever the AV standard is for that particular application of a meeting space, we can provide a projector cabinet that seamlessly hides the projector and makes it beautiful.
Hi, welcome to the Barco booth. I'm Frederick, I'm product manager at Barco, and I would like to show you around what we have to offer on this show. So first product I would like to show you is our new single chip DLP projector, the G50, which is on display right here. So it's a white UHJ projector with a laser phosphor light source, and it's available in 3 different brightness levels at 6,000, 7,000 and 8,000 lumen. And you can use it for a single channel setup or for multi-channel. So right here we use 2 channels. So the blending and warping is fully integrated in the projectors, so you don't need any extra hardware to make this setup. And what makes this projector unique, it's very lightweight, it's compact, and it has an interchangeable lens, which is not that common on projectors this size. We use the same lenses on our higher brightness platform G62 as well, so that means that people who already own the lenses, they can just reuse them on the G50 as well. It's also fully integrated in our software solution, so at Barco we have a mobile app that you can use. We have a desktop application named P-Toolset, and we also have a cloud platform. With this cloud platform you can remotely monitor the projectors and see the lifetime, their temperature, and all this kind of data is available. And maybe we can have a look now at our full lineup of projectors available. Right here we first have the G50, which we saw earlier on the 2-channel setup, and here we have the bigger brother of the G50, which is the G62. G62 is available in 3 different brightness levels. There's a 9,000 lumen, 11,000 lumen and a 14,000 lumen version on the market. If you want to go to even higher brightness, we get into the 3-chip territory, and there we have the UDM, which has recently been updated to 30,000 lumen, and the UDX all the way up to 40,000 lumen. So these two use the same lens ranges, and these two also use the same lens ranges. So with 2 lens ranges you can go all the way from 6,000 to 40,000 lumen.
Alright, hey, my name is Enzo Martin. I'm a solution architect with Barco, the Excite department, where we created this beautiful screen that you can see after me. So this is called a Regiflex screen. It's called that way because it's actually made of the fabric that we actually coat ourselves. So it has 2 coatings. It has this high brightness coating that creates this beautiful imagery that you can see right now. And it also has a touch coating, which means that, well, if I was closer I would give it a hit. But it means that, yeah, it's a very stable screen. So this screen is currently tensioned on our profiles. It has a tension of 10 Newton per centimeter, which means that the screen itself is extremely stable. We have a perfect vertical screen, which actually needed to have a very nice projection on it. It also means that it is stable in all kinds of environments. As long as you have the complete control of the temperature ranges and the humidity, that screen is going nowhere. Currently behind the screen you have 3 projectors, UDX 4K40s with ultra short throw lenses that are currently creating this beautiful screen. Alright, so we all know the current trends of LED, it's a growing market, but rear projection is still very much relevant. Because with rear projection you can get a very nice uniform image for different ranges, for different utilizations. We can go in research, we can go in entertainment, we can go everywhere. This this screen has a lot of different applications where LED just isn't the best solution, where we can really have a cost-efficient solution in contrast to what the LED can offer.